I'm a first-year MCA student in VIT Vellore campus. I got a rank less than 100 in VITMEE 2019. I will be giving you tips and tricks to crack the MCA VITMEE entrance. MCA is available in VIT Vellore, Chennai and Bhopal campus. The best campus is Vellore and the second best is Chennai. Try to join either these two. There are about 240 seats in Vellore and less than 120 seats in Chennai campus. You need a VITMEE rank below 400 and less than 600 to get into Chennai. These numbers may change depending on the students who appear during the counseling. Now let me talk about the syllabus and the questions you will be getting in VITMEE entrance. In VIT website, most of the topics will be focused on mathematics and less on computer and English. But during the examination, 80% of the questions will be from computer science and 10% from mathematics and the rest from English. For mathematics, you will get 10 to 15 questions from probability, calculus, differentiation, and linear algebra. For computer, you will get most of the questions from data structures, operating system, computer networks, and C programming. These are very important topics, so practice your MCQ questions from Geeks for Geeks website. When I attended VITMEE 2019, I got a lot of questions from data structures and operating systems, and most of them were from Geek for Geeks website. So make sure you study these topics really well. Rest of these questions are from English. So these are the important questions and the syllabus you should focus on, and these are the majority of the topics that I got during my entrance exam in 2019. Thank you for watching. For more information or if you have any questions, comment down below. I will try to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you guys in the next one.